to get a real opportunity. The World Freedom Team always with you to support. So what we are here. So in next few seconds, so we are going to start a presentation. So I just want to be attentive for next 30 minutes, the real 30 minutes in your life, the precious next 30 minutes in your life is going to be next 30 minutes. So I can assure that, I can guarantee you that the next 30 minutes changed a million people's life. I'm sure it will also give you the big opportunity. It will also show you a very, very big opportunity. So just be attentive for next 30 minutes that you have always been waiting for. So everyone have a thought how your life could change. It could be everyone want to be buy a dream home, dream car, and you have to spend a quality time with your life, with your in your life, with your close circle, friends, relatives, family. Okay, and also everyone will have this dream. You want to visit a wonderful place in different country. Okay, this is a common dream for all the human being to achieve this kind of things. So I am assured that you can manage your life the way you want, the dream you can achieve in this business. So how it is possible? Imagine you could promote the product, services created people just like you. Imagine that everyone use this product and services every day in their own life at work. Imagine this product, our World Global Network product and services that you and all those you know cannot live without. That means this kind of opportunity and product created people like you, this product service definitely you will use every day. It's an essential product service and very important. Okay, with our product, okay, if you cannot use, you cannot live. So that much kind of product we have. What is that? Okay, so these are the chance for anyone to earn a major professional career. It's a big opportunity with a prestigious exclusive company. So we are into the fastest growing industry in the world. So what are they? So we are talking about the huge market. We are talking about the fastest growing industry in the world, that is called technology and communication. It's a very, very important and vital segment, vital industry. Today all the human people can connect in this industry. Everyone is need and must. That's called technology and communication. Who are the customers? All the human beings are the customers. So we are talking about the human important need is technology and communication. We are talking about the market is the needful for the world. So we are into technology and communication. So now stop imagining. So we are into innovative and revolutionary business opportunity. So that is already changed millions of people of lives right now, still now. So that's called World Global Network. World. So in this world we are introducing the big project. It's launched, it's landed all over the world. The world is launching Project MCell 5G. MCell 5G is something new to the world. Okay. This opportunity will be involved in this billionaire industry. So we are introducing 5G service all over the world. Now the very good news is now in India. So how we are making that? So this is a new wave, the space phone, and we are using to connect with the smartphone, our company space phone, the 5G technology that offer you a technology selecting automatically a right network for you. So this signal is currently available. It will give you the strong signal wherever you are. The ultimate MCell 5G is wherever you are, okay, we will give you a strong, unique personal signal. Okay, the capacity is compared to now 4G into 4 times. Okay, it's a more capacity and more coverage we are providing. So this is one of the important that. So how you are using, how you are going to use MCell 5G. It's very important. So this is a space station. It's a microcell device. It generates the MCell 5G signal to build your home wireless network. For this, you don't need a network. You don't need a cable connection. You don't need anything. Just buy a space station. Just on it, you will get a own wireless network wherever you are. So the more benefit you will have is, okay, so you will get a free Wi-Fi. You can supply a free Wi-Fi. Okay, so it's very different. It's only provided by World Global Network. It's our company called World Company. It's designed by the Noble Material. This device that combines that 3G, 4G, it all delivers 5 Wi-Fi and hotspot. It will give you a unique signal with the help of Wi-Fi and hotspot. So Bluetooth is connected. You can hear music. You can drive your communication with the help of space station. With this space station, we are introducing space phone. The space phone is the only device in the world we are introducing 5G signal. Okay. This device have a 5G network. You can make a call, you can send an SMS, you can surf on the internet without changing your route line. Example, if you go any country, if you go for abroad, you don't want to change the SIM because our space phone, our MCell 5G network will connect you everywhere. So it's a safe and secure connection, and we are giving the quality of service. So how we are going to earn? Just build, share and earn. So we are introducing a one world plan. It's a unique plan internationally. It's a worldwide communication plan. It fits your need anywhere. You can earn like a mobile operator. Okay. You can save up to 30% compared to leading mobile operator. You can earn up to 30% simply sharing your MCell 5G signal. The beauty is, the ultimate goal is, if you share your signal, you will earn 30% more than. Okay, it's a very big income. That is a big opportunity. You can earn like a mobile operator. So how it is going to work? Okay, the project MCell 5G is here. We are coming with the exclusive and innovative wireless technology created by World. We are building our own global mobile network. It will give you a huge benefit, reducing up to 100% of your communication costs. At the same time, you can start earn like a mobile operator. That's an amazing opportunity. So we are in already US. We are connected with the T-Mobile USA. So one of the leading operator plan, that's called One World Plan. We are into the US. Very soon in India, we are going to introduce you will get a unique number from our company, unique SIM, okay, starting from $12. Okay, so you can do video conference, you can do call, you can do message, you can do video call, you can surf on internet. It's a very powerful one world plan. So day-to-day life, how we are doing? Everyone has a mobile phone. Everyone uses the internet. But right now we are using with the it's a operator, mobile operator. Okay. Right. Currently we are connecting with some operator. 100% we are using. But are we getting any profit? No. Okay. So are you getting any savings? No. But at this stage there is a changing perspective. If you share our Wi-Fi, if you share our signal, you can earn 60% on MCell 5G. You can get a profit and savings, okay, whoever shared with you. That's an amazing opportunity whenever you share our signals. So what they did, our company is created a revolution in technology industry. World is the first network marketing company in the history with a research and development department. We created a technology product that's called Space Lumina, the first smart glass in the world. If you just wear this glass, it's more than a computer. It's more than a laptop. Next level of computer, that's called Lumina glass. So it's have a 30 MP photo, full HD video recording. You can see through binocular display. It means you can see this screen picture near or far. The storage is 32 GB or 64 GB. We have a Wi-Fi connection, Bluetooth connection, everything. And two, we are not compromising. We are with the octa-core processor, 3 GB RAM, 6595 CPU, and the very beautiful thing is stereo sound jack, bone contact speaker. Bone contact speaker is you won't wear a headphone. If that layer will touch in your bone, you will hear the sound. It's an amazing discovered. So it's an amazing thing. So how they are doing? Who are they? What this company is all about? If you name it any company in technology, we are not a number one or number two company in the world, but we are leader in the market. More than a number one, number two, we are a leader in the market. So world is the best company in the world, for the world. So we founded, this company is founded in 2011, headquartered in Singapore, and we have 7 corporate office in different cities and countries. We have office in US, we have office in Moscow, Russia, we have office in Dublin, we have office already in Singapore, China, all the best country we have. And the very good news is, now for you all, now in India, just we landed in India. The very good news is we landed in India, in Chennai, the head office in Chennai, World Global Network India Private Limited in Chennai. We have a head office. We have the Ministry of Corporate Affairs certification. Everything we have in Chennai. Now it's landed. So just we are on the move for a pre-launch. We are on the move for the pre-launch. So how this company, what they did? These are some of the reputation and award, top awards. Our company CEO, though we are a just 4.5-year-old company, okay, our CEO is the top 10 rank in the world, top 10 CEOs list in the world. Okay, so we are a top best 100 company, top 100 solid company. We are into top 100 list. So top 150 worldwide earners, 6 people are from World Global Network, and we have got many awards and recognition. So who is behind this company? How this company is achieving very fast, and they are doing big success? Because of this, the person behind this company is this big person, Mr. Fabio Galdi, the CEO and president. So he is already a achievable person before entering in this company. In 1994, he founded the second largest ISP, Internet Service Provider, in Italy, and the 5th largest in Europe. Wow. In 1997, he started a own international company in Singapore. And also in 2002, he is the first person introduced a touchscreen LCD PC in the market. It's a very amazing thing and prestigious to be in this company. 2005, he developed one of the first successful VoIP VoIP platform. Amazing. He got the achievement of 2012 and 2013 He was a top 10 emerging CEOs in the world in network marketing list. He was a top 10 CEOs. It's amazing. Okay, so with this big opportunity with the world you can, I know every time someone uses a smartphone to make a call, to send a SMS, surf on the internet. Okay, so just think about that. Do you know anyone who is do a call every day, who is text message every day, who is use internet every day? Do you know any kind of people? And I just want to ask, the answer is obviously yes. We know people because technology is today's sixth sense for the human. Just if your phone is switched off, your mind will off. Obviously, it's like our sixth finger. Okay. Still, if you are, I know you are in the meeting, your phone will be in your hand or near the table. I can assure that someone will watch in the mobile. Okay. So what I'm trying to say, technology is today most important to us. We are interconnected with the technology. So we have a very good plan for you to succeed in this market. So how it is going to work? So just very simple. We are allowed to talk, yes or no? Yes. Okay. So just use our product. If you feel good, just promote this. You have a chance to earn more than 15 different kinds of income. We have a compensation plan called the 4 ways compensation plan. Okay, it's a weekly income to be the best. Already we proven, we paid already to the business partner more than a few lakhs, few crores, $1,000. So how it is possible? How it is possible? Because we are paying up to 50% of payback. So we are introducing just how to earn in this business. It's very simple. You might be anybody. You might be a working profession. You might be a student. You might be a housewife. You might be anybody. If you're able to spend professional time just 2 hours a day, or if you're able to spend just 30 to 40 hours in a month, okay, you have a big opportunity to earn in this business. There are 4 mainstream revenues, and we have a 15 commission and bonus, infinity way to succeed. How? So just the first kind of bonus is a retail bonus. Okay, whenever you just start retail our product, you'll get 10% of the income. The fast start commission. The fast start commission is if you join in the business. Once you promote our business package, you have a chance to earn a very, very big income. How it is going to possible? We are into a binary model. The binary model is if you sponsor somebody in this business, if you just introduce anybody in this business, you have a chance to earn 21,450. If you introduce any one person, you have a chance to earn 21,000 rupees, 450 rupees. If you just introduce another person, okay, so how it's minimum 2 people is enough. Maximum you can introduce so many people as much as you can. For every people, if every people join and introduced by you, you will get 21,450. It's a very, very, very big money. Just example, if you do as a part-time, introducing 2 people in a month, you can make more than 40,000 plus. It's a very big money. Okay. So what is the second kind, third kind of income is we have a team volume commission. If your team starts growing in your left team or right team, you have a chance to earn 20% of matching income, that is called binary income. The team residual commission. We have another income called monthly activation income, and money bonus. We have many bonus. So how do you are going to earn? Very simple. Just example, Mr. Kamlesh has joined in our business, and just introducing a person called Ram and Annie. So introducing a Ram and Annie, you already earn sponsor income as 20,000, 20,000. Apart from this, team volume commission, you will earn, if somebody joins in a left team, somebody joins in a right team, we call it as a pair. For the team bonus, you will get another 18,200 rupees. It's a fantastic income. Okay. So that means when Ram referring to people and Annie referring to people, okay, you have a 4 new people in your team. In left team there is a 2 new people, the right team 2 new people. But you didn't do anything. Mr. Kamalesh didn't do anything. But there is an opportunity to earn team volume commission for the Kamalesh. That week income is 36,400 rupees. Okay, so you can earn every single week maximum in this commission 99 lakhs. It's nearly, not nearly, it's very close to a crore. 1 crore you can earn every single week. It's possible. Are they earning? Yes. There are so many lot of people earning in this business this much of income. So how it is going to happen? Simple logic. We are working with a simple logic. Simple. It's a power of duplication. You do anything, just refer 2 people in this business. We have a quality product and services. Just identify 2 people. Whoever joins, just give me a perfect training. We'll work together and just introduce 2 people. That's it. Example, Ms. Pavani is coming and joining in the business. Is she introducing 1 person in the left and 1 person in the right? That's it. So immediately will get the second kind of income is 18,000 rupees. After that, she was busy in his business. She was busy in some work. But the person from the left team and right team started working. So these 2 people are taking a time and working and introducing 2 new people. 2 new people in the left, 2 new people in the right. But Pavani didn't do anything. But for her team effort, she will get 36,000 rupees. So whoever comes, just introducing 2 people and stop, minimum. If continues just 12 weeks, just 4 months, you have an income to earn last 4 weeks. Okay, 30 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 30 lakhs. You are crossing more than a crore. My friends, I'm just telling, okay, take it serious. I just started this business before pre-launch. My life is changed. My life is transformed. So I want to share you to take this business very seriously. Okay, this business, it's not a normal business. This business, it's like something very big. For that, you don't want to need any rocket science. Okay, just follow the system. We are ready to support here. Okay, to just following this procedure to make duplication. We are there with you. We are going to support. World Global Network going to support. Okay. So we have another opportunity is called Team Developer Bonus. So if somebody of your teams, if your sponsors refer A and B to introduce to 2 person, one in the left, one in the right, you will get $20 additionally. Whenever your sponsor complete left and right, you'll get $20. You have a career plan and you have a generation matching bonus. There is a possibility to earn 7 generation income in your business. So 7 line, so first line, second line, so you can earn from the 7 line people's earnings every single week. So not only that, we have a builder pool bonus. It's very amazing. Whoever joins now, it's very important. In this pre-launch in India, whoever joins now, you will get every single month total sales of the particular product. From that you will get 5%. That's very big income. Okay, who introduced? Just ask me. So just ask them. Offload residual pool bonus is something very, very important and very, very big income. Offload residual pool bonus. So whoever using regularly in your business space station, if they continue use the space station regularly every single month, you have a chance to earn internationally, worldwide, 20 to 40% of total from worldwide total usage. You will get 20 to 40%. The millionaire pool bonus is something amazing. If you achieve a president millionaire, total sales volume, you will get 1 share. So it's a very big income in this business, and you have a very big opportunity to achieve a dream car. Okay, if you achieve a specific rank, you can achieve a dream car in our business, and also you can achieve a car bonus of up to $4,000. So if you achieve a top level leadership, the company will give you a world luxury jewel, and you have every year 2 times company will take you for the vacation. It's a royal red corporate treatment. Okay, you should be there. So you have to be there to enjoy and to just see our company, to enjoy a holiday. You have to be there. So every year diamond life tour, every year 2 times. Now you have a chance to achieve Bali in December. So ask the person who introduced you, they will explain everything. And Millionaire Club bonus. So Millionaire Club bonus is something very big, and it's a partnership with the company board, and it's a top service class. You definitely in India, many people are going to be achieve that. So what is the packages? That's very important. Yes, product good, income good. How to join? Which package I have to join? I understand your question from your mind. So we have a different packages to join. You can join as a consultant, and you can join us if you just purchase a mobile phone. You'll become a partner, and every package in every pack you will get a web suite. That means what I'm doing is Space Meet. So the Space Meet, all this business supporting suite will give you in all the packages, start from partner and master, everything. In master pack you will get a space phone and space station. Apart from that, we have another 2 packages that's called executive. Executive, you will get space phone and space station. With space station you will get 32 shares. What is mean by 32 shares? I already mentioned you. Okay, from the total volume of activation every month, okay, so you will get 5 percentage. You will get 20% to 30%. So how many shares you are having? It will be divided into that percentage. And you have a package called Executive Lumina. Executive Lumina, you will get a product called Space Lumina. It's a very unique and new to the world. Space Lumina, Space Phone, and Space Station. So we have all this kind of product in Executive Lumina. This costs around $3,299. So it comes around 2 lakhs above in Indian money. It's really, now we have a very big opportunity to take this business seriously. That is special promotion until August 31st, but currently this promotion will be extended till September 1st week. So now we have a promotion internationally. We are giving a promo $1,399. Just we are offering at the price of just $849 as an executive pack, and Executive Lumina is, it's $3,299. Just we are offering $2,749. It's amazing. So if you join in any of these packages, you will get 32 shares every month. Company will see how many products sold space station. From that you will get share. So it's a very big money. Ask your people who are invited you. And so in India, what is going to be happen? Now in India, register now. You can join in any package, but right now register as a consultant. You don't need any money. Now we are giving a positioning for who is joining immediately. So just register now. And very important, once you register, you need to upload all your documents. All your documents is very important. So register now. The big opportunity is you can pay later. You can pay by next month. So you can create a team. You can set up your team at this promotion time. So this special promotion until September 30th, okay, is a very big opportunity now in promo in India. So what is going to be happen? So just join our business with the help of $49. Okay, just it's a free joining now. You can pay later. So choose your package and arrange the money. Which package you are going to join, arrange your money. Okay, tell to your family and friends. It's a big earnings, just like a mobile operator. It's a time to explode. So we are how we are going to support. That's amazing how we are going to support. So we have a team called World Freedom Team. We are ready to inspire the life. So we are going to support you, help you. Okay. So we will take care complete system. Okay. So we will give you the proper training, online training, offline training, support system. So we are there to help you. It's a big strength. Now to get your financial freedom in your life, join in World Global Network. It's a real success, you can see. So this is the right way, the day you are waited for, the moment you waited for, the opportunity you waited for. Right now, that World Freedom Team to start to fly in this business, in your life. Okay, that very important decision. Rockefeller statement. Show me the person who can take a decision then and there. I can make him to win again and again. Okay. So decision is very important. Okay. So first come first serve. The position is very important. Example. Okay. Example. If you join immediately, you will come as in the position of Ram or Annie. If you come later, okay, you will join above the Ram or Annie. If you make later, if you take a decision, later, you will come at the very last. So hold their position. That's very important in this business. So right now, position is very important. Don't miss the right time. There is always space in the market to become the best of the best. Now this company is just landed in India, now in the pre-launch stage. You need to be in the right place at the right time. That's very important. All the successful companies they are in the right place at the right moment they enter. Now you have a very big opportunity to enter in a right place and right moment. So it's your time, in your hand. There is a revolutionary opportunity in a huge market with a solid company with the exclusive of cutting edge product and the technology. So now it's a move. You choose to continue struggling to live your life, aiming by the odds to survey, or build a network, earn like a mobile operator, be a millionaire. We are there to help you. So choose to realize your dream for you and your family to be happy and successful. Treat yourself to life what you dreamed. So we are ready for this support system. It's your network, a World Global Network. So world is waiting for you to create your network. We are ready. So I'm once again thank you all to stay for the 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes. Okay. So this opportunity definitely transformed many people's life. So my life has been transformed because of this opportunity. So I just want to share one moment. So once I chose this company, once I joined in this company, not only me, my team and everyone, people's life changed. I can feel it. I can see the energy. So my friends, so you are a well experienced people, you are a networker. Okay, now the big opportunity entered in India. It's the right time to move. Anytime Bharati Raja is here, we have a team people who is person invited you, they are ready to support you. So the World Freedom Team, and we have a many team in that. Okay, so contact your leader. Just block the position immediately. Now we are upgrading our website, especially we are just transforming for international market. So now you can register little later, not now. You can registration will start by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay, still we are in the process. So kindly just give your details to your who the person invited you. So they will guide you in a right way. Okay, so very soon the world global network is going to explode. Okay, so just register your position. It's very, very, very important. So with this moment, I want to see you all the people in the training with the help of World Freedom Team. So see you soon, all the people in the training very soon. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. So